In a significant move, DJI has launched a brand new set of FPV goggles, the DJI Goggles N3. These goggles are specifically designed to be used with the Avata 2 and Neo, offering drone enthusiasts an affordable alternative to the premium Goggles 3. If you're looking for an FPV experience that balances price with performance, the DJI Goggles N3 are worth your attention. Despite the lower price point, you might wonder if DJI had to skimp on features to bring these goggles to market at such an affordable rate. The answer is no. The DJI Goggles N3 maintain many of the same core features found in the Goggles 3, providing an immersive FPV experience that doesn't compromise on quality. The front of the goggles houses the screen, ports, and buttons, while the back of the head strap carries the battery. There's a unique wheel located on the back that allows you to adjust the fit, making sure the goggles stay snug on your face, blocking out all external light. This design makes them incredibly comfortable for long flying sessions. Unlike previous models, there are 4 mounting points on the strap, with the option to add a top head strap for extra stability. One small design flaw worth mentioning is the USB-C and microSD card slot location, which sits at the top of the goggles. While it's great for charging or swapping out your microSD card when the goggles are placed on your desk, it's a bit awkward if you want to use your phone while flying. The DJI Goggles N3 are arguably some of the most comfortable FPV goggles you'll find in this price range. The padding around the goggles is thicker and softer, which provides a comfortable, cushioned fit. It also features rubber flaps that sit on top of the nose, ensuring no light leaks, creating a perfect seal around your eyes. $329. The padding is a huge improvement over previous models, like the Goggles 3, which used firmer rubber padding. For comparison, wearing the DJI Goggles N3 feels like putting on a plush, cushioned pillow, which makes long flights much more enjoyable. The DJI Goggles N3, on the other hand, have a fixed lens setup, which means they're less adjustable than the Goggles 3. They are designed to accommodate users who wear glasses, offering a decent experience, but the fit and screen quality fall short of the immersive experience you get from the more expensive model. Despite the differences in design and display quality, the DJI Goggles N3 don't skimp on performance. They feature the same O4 transmission system as the Goggles 3, which ensures high-quality, low-latency video transmission. So, don't forget to like, share, subscribe.